Hello, all. I'm Michael with the WriterSanctuary. I'm working towards my bachelor's degree, and I was started off as a part-time student. If I was to keep going at that pace, I would get my degree in 2036. A big part of that is because I'm also aiming for some anthropology credits on top of that. But there's a reason. And because I don't want to wait for the next, I don't know, 10 years to get a bachelor's degree, I'm going to go full time. And part of that is taking summer classes, which are condensed. Now, the two degrees I want to aim for are creative writing and anthropology. I've always been a big fan of archaeology and I love studying cultures. Besides, anthropology does quite a bit for world building from an educated perspective, makes things seem a bit more realistic. So, the first class I'm taking is the fiction writing workshop, which initially was supposed to be an 8-week class that got condensed to 5. This means it's even more condensed than it was before, and it is a nonstop flow of writing and 5 weeks worth of social interaction. Unfortunately, my life is quite chaotic, and I don't get to sit down and comment on every single person that writes stuff. I'm going to try to do my best because in reality, I can probably squeeze out a few minutes here and there to read somebody's work and then leave a comment. Lots of reading in this one, though, because we're not split up into groups. We're supposed to comment on just about everything we can read. Nonetheless, I'm writing a ton of stories. A lot of them are probably going to be on michaelbrockbank.com, possibly even Wattpad or Inkit. Really depends on the story that I get to write. The last few have been like an introductory of how to create characters, how to describe scenes, how to describe objects, stuff like that. And so a lot of those are kind of very short. Those will probably be on michaelbrockbank.com. And I'll leave a note as to what the assignment was. But the longer pieces, like I like to work on for Serpent's Tale or some of the other anthologies that I have planned, uh, I don't know. I might have to use just one story from that to write the whole thing. It's just really condensed. Don't get me wrong. I'll still be able to. I still have a confidence that I'll ace it. Knock on wood. But you never know. And the other class I'm taking is biological anthropology. It's an easy paced flow compared to the fiction workshop. Now, with the fiction workshop, I have to write and read and comment almost on an everyday basis. With the biological anthropology, though, it's set up by the same professor that did my class last semester, Dr. Balco, and he's pretty organized. And so it's a go at your own pace, but you still have 4 video lectures, the lab, a lot of reading, and then the quiz and the lab and something else I can't remember offhand without looking at it is due on a Friday. But that's not too bad. I can do a lecture a day, open note test and all that. So yeah, it's the flow of biological anthropology is so much easier than the fiction writing, but I think that's because the professor for the fiction writing squished it down even more. Everybody here thinks he did that so that he could have some of his summer left over instead of teaching, which is fine. I mean, I can keep up, or at least I can try. My life is pretty chaotic, especially right now where I don't have a job and I have no idea where I want to live next month. But at least I have a 4.0 grade point average. So once the classes are over, I'm going to be aiming to go full time as an undergrad. I am worried though, because of what I just said, that I don't have a job and I have no idea where I want to live. So I might be a 4.0 undergrad homeless student, but things will work out. We have a few plans set in place. So I'm going to do some negotiations and see if I can at least stay in the house for another month and a half. But really, it's anybody's guess where the hell I'm going to be. So going full time is going to be exceptionally difficult, especially if I'm in the midst of moving. So I don't know. It's yeah, this year's going to be a very, very stressful one. It already has been a really, really stressful one, but now it's it's condensed stress. Later today, I'll be contacting Maine to see if I can transfer my credits from CU and from Westwood, and if they'll let me do that, then damn near one half of my degree is done. So it shouldn't take me maybe a year and a half to finish over in Maine. Really depends on if they do the credits, because if they don't transfer any of the credits, then I am not starting this over. This is the second time I've had to start over from scratch. I'm not doing it. So if I can't transfer and I do wind up moving to Maine, I'll just stay online with CU until I graduate with a bachelor's, and then take the in-person courses there, because I still want to get a degree in anthropology to go along with the creative writing. And then I also want to get masters in both and PhDs in both eventually. So I'm planning on being in school for quite a long term. But the cool thing is that all the stuff that I'm learning in college right now, I'm actually implementing it in blogs, videos. I'm going to be starting an anthropology blog here soon. So it's not like I'm gaining knowledge that's just going to sit there. I'm still going to keep doing all the things I do. It just dials it up to 11 now. And eventually, I don't know, maybe I'll get my degrees, but it's a long slog. Bottom line is I don't want to wait till 2036 to get any degree. So I'm going to try my hardest to maintain full-time status while keeping the 4.0 grade point average. I believe I'm smart enough to do it, but it's going to come down to time management and motivation. So we'll have to see how things go. This is just going to be an update, but so far in the classes, I'm doing fairly well. Everybody loves my short stories, and I scored fairly well on the first week's tests and all that in anthropology. So I think things are going to be okay at the moment. I don't know. It's going to be. I really don't know what else to add. I don't know what I'll be doing. And I hate not knowing, but it is what it is. And you can only do what you can do, you know. Anywho, I think I was going to wrap this up. Just a quick update into the master's path. I'm still working on it. I'm still doing great in school. Let's just see if I can maintain all of that while keeping myself above water, because it's going to be a rough couple of months. And anyway, if you enjoyed the videos, hit the like button for more videos about self-publishing, blogging, freelance writing, schoolwork, or anything else I cover. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I think that's going to do it for me today. Wish me luck. I'll see you next time.